Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up the Maintenance Tasks gem in a brand new Rails app. So I have my new app here. I've added the gem to the gem file, and I will use Bundler to install the gem. Once Bundler is finished, we need to run the install generator for the gem itself to set up the framework properly. The install generator is going to do two things. First, it will mount the engine in our app's routes. This makes the web interface accessible, and it will also run the necessary migrations for the gem to work. So the generator has finished. We can go ahead and start a Rails server. We navigate to our local app. And if we go to the maintenance tasks endpoint, we can see that the gem has been successfully installed. So any new tasks are going to show up here, and it also gives us the command we need to run to create our first task. So let's go ahead and run that command. This is going to create a new task called My Task, and it will also give us a corresponding test. So let's open My Task. It shows us a couple of methods we need to fill out. Collection is the collection to be iterated over. Process is the work to be done on a single element in our collection, and count defines the number of elements that will be processed. So let's fill in a simple task. It is going to process an array that goes from 1 to 10. Process is just going to print the element and sleep for 1 second, and count will use collections count. So now if we restart our Rails server, and we go back to the maintenance tasks endpoint, we see our task show up here. So we can click on it. The code related to the task is shown here, and we can go ahead and run it. Information about the task while it's running shows up here. We can pause the task. We can also resume it. And we see that the task finished successfully. If we want to run it again, we can. We can also go ahead and cancel a running task. Great, so if we go back to the main page, we now see this task show up under completed tasks, and information about the latest run of the task is shown here. And that's it.